Hi everyone, welcome to Unboxing Zindagi. In this video, I am going to tell about how to order on Amazon without installing the application. You can directly order from Google. Open Google and type Amazon. Here you can see the first link, Amazon at Amazon India, India's largest online store. Click on that. You will get an Amazon interface like this. Click on sign in on the top of the screen. Here enter your email or phone number and then click on continue. Enter OTP and click on continue. You will get into your Amazon account. On the search bar, type the product name which you wanted to buy. If you are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe Unboxing Zindagi and press the bell icon to get notifications and then click on all. Click on the product and just scroll down. Here you can see two options like add to cart and buy now. Click on buy now. Here add 350 rupees of items to your order to qualify for free delivery. So I am adding some other two products to get free delivery. Now there is no delivery charges. Your order is eligible for free delivery. Click on proceed to buy 3 items. Now select a delivery address. Click on deliver to this address. Here select a payment method. I am going through online payment. Now click on continue. Order total is 624 rupees. Click on place your order and pay. Order placed. Thank you. You will get a message to your mobile number regarding order confirmation. I will give a review on these products in the next video. Please do like, share and subscribe Unboxing Zindagi for more upcoming videos.